traders, I posted this yesterday. We were looking to short this. What I want to do with this video is explain how you can get involved with this type of trade. It's a counter trend, and we have an extremely simple strategy. All we do is we wait for these alerts over here to fire, and what these are this dot on this indicator specifically. And we can also set an alert red zone down in here on this indicator. Right, so the alert fires, we come in, we see the dot, and we get ready. This is telling us that we should see an opportunity to short. The first opportunity was actually that. It's a counter trend trade based on that signal and and this red down arrow as well. Now we take this on the 15-minute, 5-minute chart. The second signal was, well, this red zone, this red signal, telling us that a pullback was likely. And then we go down to the 15-minute chart to get involved. So there's two trades that we could have taken. I'll mark them up. One was on, these three signals here, that one, and this one lining up. When they all line up together, that's when we have the opportunity. So that's opportunity number one. And then opportunity number two was here. And we look at the 15-minute time frame to get involved. So we can mark up our point of interest off this indicator here as well. So we've got 2 points of interest, one on the 1 hour and one on the 4 hour. So we just go down to a 15-minute chart now. That's our 4 hour point of interest, and our 1 hour point of interest is back here. Right, now all we need to see on the 15-minute is this signal, this down arrow, this divergence, this dot, and this red zone, and we take this trade short. You can go down to a 5-minute time frame if you want to get closer to it, and you can see even if you got in on this pullback, that was the outcome. And then the other opportunity was from this point of interest onwards. So what we're looking for here is the break of structure. We're just looking for the bearish candle to kick off, or break of this low. It's a pretty simple strategy. There's your break of structure there. The break of the range. A bit of a stop run. All right, now we've got the signals on this time frame right here, right there, and well, these lines hit the top bar. We don't get a red signal there, but we are looking for a short based on that. So we just wait basically for the break of structure, and it pulls back, and that's our entry point. I am doing mentorship videos every day on this strategy, counter trend, and we have a trend continuation strategy as well. So it's just a matter of having a checkbox, and if everything stacks up. And the main thing is on the 4 hour or 1 hour. Just keep it really simple. The main thing is this. If these line up, if we have that signal, this is red down here, and then we have an arrow, then that is an opportunity. These are trading down, that's a red signal. Well, we've got everything here as well, so yeah. Now you can take the indicators for a 2-week free trial. If you go to my website, click on the free trial here, and you'll see silver and gold down here, or even scroll down, click on gold, and that will give you access to the indicators. This link here will give you immediate access. So as soon as you click that, it takes you to my WAP landing page. Just click get access down here. You can scroll down, have a look at everything. But more importantly, once you click that, here's access to 2 Telegram channels in VIP, crypto, the Forex. Click this, and you will have immediate access to the indicators when you log into your TradingView. And there's the course, and you can automatically copy my signals over to your MT4, but all the resources are right here for you. Immediate access, guys. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in VIP, and hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.